Hello and welcome to Resort Travel. In this video, we will embark on a journey with Eurostar. The London to Paris Eurostar is a high-speed train service that connects these two capital cities. This efficient and comfortable rail link provides a swift and convenient way to travel between these two cities. Departing from London's St. Pancras International Station, the Eurostar wheels passengers through the Channel Tunnel, an engineering marvel that links the UK and mainland Europe. The journey takes approximately 2 hours and 15 minutes, making it one of the fastest ways to traverse the English Channel. Passengers can enjoy a range of amenities on board, including spacious seats, dining options, and complimentary Wi-Fi, ensuring a pleasant travel experience. Every week, we will take you to the most amazing places in the world. Follow us so you don't miss our next tour. The route takes travelers through the picturesque French countryside, offering glimpses of charming villages and scenic landscapes. Upon arrival at Paris Gare du Nord station, passengers find themselves in the heart of the French capital, with easy access to its world-famous landmarks.